Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be doing a room tour of the Hampton by Hilton Hotel at Bristol Airport, where we stay for one night before flying out to Tenerife. So at this hotel they have a laundry service, and this is the price list where you can get items dry cleaned during your stay if you are staying for more than one night.
So we've got a hairdryer up here in the bag on the top of the wardrobe, ironing board and iron, plenty of coat hangers, the dry cleaning list which I've just taken a video of.
Hello.
A Freddy. Say hello.
Hello.
We've got a nice big bed, and the single bed is actually quite wide for a single, which is nice. Plenty of room for you, isn't there, Freddie?
Yeah.
We've got a swivel chair, tea and coffee is under here.
And a book.
What's the kettle like? Let's do the kettle test.
And a book.
Very clean, actually.
And a book.
10 out of 10.
And a book.
And a book. Freddie's found a book to read.
Yeah, it was right there.
And we've got lots of sockets in here.
And a spinny chair.
Some here. And a spinny chair. I've said the spinny chair. And we've got one there.
I love the spinny chair. Hey, yeah, teacher sit on there.
We've got one here.
Actually,
And we've got
I've
a USB-C and a USB.
oh, but this chair don't go there.
And then again over on this side, same again. And even another one down there, so plenty of sockets, which is really nice.
And then to get something over here.
Yeah. Oh, what's
Iron.
over here?
It's an
Yes,
iron.
I've said the iron.
I mean
Yes.
this thing.
Yep, I've said the iron and the ironing board, yep.
Signboard.
Yep.
Your iron.
You iron your clothes, don't you?
That's what we needed.
Yep.
And the bath.
Lovely. And we'll see what breakfast is like in the morning, won't we? We're going to go and take our bags, aren't we, Freddie?
Where are we going?
Going to go to the airport and do our Twilight bag drop in a minute.
Look. Doing a vow.
Wow.
to you. And don't forget a remote. TV remote.
Yep, TV remote. Okay.
And don't forget the TV.
And the TV. Oh,
And over
how can we
there,
forget the TV?
the light thing.
Yep.
And my teddy.
And your teddy. Okay.
And that thing over there.
And Teddy. What do you think to it, Ted? Do you like it here?
He said yes.
He said yes. Okay. He gets thumbs up from Ted. What's his name again? George, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the George the Ted.
George the Ted.
So this was the only problem that I could find with the room, because the door slides and covers the wardrobe as well. it was hitting at the top, so it meant that it wouldn't fully close, which obviously as a family is completely fine. But if you want your privacy, then you're not going to be able to fully close the door or lock it.
So we're just off to drop our bags at the Twilight bag drop. So I just wanted to show you the walk from the hotel to the terminal.
So we were flying with easyJet and our flight was at 7:35 a.m. We live about an hour and a half away from Bristol Airport, so it was better for us to stay overnight and then not have the rush in the morning or worrying about the car not starting or any issues. Just meant that we could relax the night before and be safe in the knowledge that we were already there. With easyJet and a couple of other flight operators, they will allow you to do a Twilight bag drop at Bristol Airport, which runs from 6 o'clock until 9 o'clock, which allows you to drop off your bags the night before, saving you the time and the hassle in the morning. It does mean that if there are additional queues in the morning, which we were expecting because it was half term, then we would have avoided all this and you can just head straight to security in the morning. And it's just one less thing to worry about. We weren't really expecting to see a cute little rabbit run across the road in a busy airport, but here we are. As you will see in a second, there are absolutely no queues at the Twilight bag drop, so it was an absolute breeze to drop off our bags. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Please like and subscribe.